Colleagues, The Secrets of Sirius is a 13th century manuscript from Timbuktu which portrays the dog star and the scientific prediction it portends for the world. The author maintains that the knowledge and the prophecies of Sirius is not derived from any Egyptian or Hellenistic mythology, while he asserts that God himself revealed it in the books of Enoch and in the books of Daniel, which Greek philosophers, the likes of Aristotle, recorded and studied at a later stage. In the Holy Quran, a whole chapter is dedicated and named after the star, where the Almighty gave an oath by the rising of Sirius. He said, وَالنَّجْمِ إِذَا هَوَى, by the star when it falls, or by the rising of Sirius. And later on he said, فَكَانَ قَابَ قَوْسَيْنِ أَوْ أَدْنَى, meaning he reached the approximity of the two bows or beyond the two bows. According to the scientific interpretation of the verse, the two bows refer to the two stars, Sirius A and Sirius B, approaching each other in a bow shape every 50 years, once every 50 years. And later on the Almighty said, وَأَنَّهُ هُوَ رَبُّ الشِّعْرَى, verily he is the Lord of Sirius. And this all form part of the miracles or the scientific miracles of the Quran. The title of the manuscript was حكم الشعر اليمنية وما يحدث في العالم, means that the prophecies of the star Sirius and what happens, or in accordance with the events that happen in the world. According to scientists and astrologists, the star Sirius exerts a mystic and a direct influence over the entire living heaven and is to be found linked with every great religion of antiquity. For example, during the year 3200 before Christ BC, the African tribe Dogon, in every way primitive, had closely guarded a secret tradition containing accurate and detailed astronomical knowledge regarding the star Sirius. Where in ancient Egypt, Sirius was astronomically the foundation of the Egyptian entire religious system. The star was revealed and associated with Isis, the mother goddess of Egyptian mythology. The air shafts of the pyramids are aligned to let the light from the star Sirius during the Hellenic rising to shine into the chambers of the buried family of Pharaoh. The dog star is the focus of the teaching and symbolism of hermetic orders and secret societies. For example, in Masonic lodges, Sirius is known to be as the blazing star, the most exalted object in the lodge, where the initiation rituals are based on the light of Sirius. Thus the concept Illuminati derives. In Freemasonry in general, Sirius is a sacred place where all the Masons ascend to as a source of divine power. For example, in 1907, if you know Aleister Crowley, the beast, he founded a secret order called AA, meaning Argentum Astronum, meaning the silver star, which he referred to or in reference to Sirius, the dog star. In Timbuktu, and according to the manuscript, scholars believed that Sirius shines once a year and it carries messages for the following year in terms of food security, wars, diseases, climate change and travel. Example, when Sirius rises while the moon is in Sagittarius, the stars will send forth evil spirit called the Syrians that will cause depression, it will cause confusion and fatalities amongst the human and the animals. Severe storms in the seas will occur, diseases and insects will infect the crops, bees will not produce honey, and birds will struggle to procreate. As well as production of wheat and cotton will decrease, while olives, olive oil, figs and grapes will prosper. Food prices will be cheaper in Ethiopia and in the Maghreb region, North Africa, while corruption and war will break in Egypt. Many people will suffer from all kinds of fever, lupus and brain tumors due to the toxic air. In Europe, the author mentioned that in Europe, in this situation of Sirius, a big bloody war will break. Syrians also in Syria will riot, and Iraqis will overthrow their leader, their king. For the complete translation of the manuscript, please read my article, The Rising of Sirius, in my LinkedIn profile. Thank you very much.